At syempre, kakanta ulit natin siya ng kanyang birthday song, but this time, mas malakas kaysa kanina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa, mas malakas at mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, Chloe at the count of 3, pwede mo na i-blow ang iyong birthday candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Chloe! Happy birthday, Chloe! Ayan. At, wow! One big happy family. Okay. Oy! Okay. Hindi lang po dance number ang inihandaan ni Hindi lang po dance number ang inihandaan ni Hetty, ni Trudy at ni Jollibee para sa ating birthday celebrant. Meron din po silang inihandang mga birthday wishes para kay Chloe. Ayan. Sino muna? Siyempre ladies first. Pero sino mauna kay Chloe at kay Hetty? Si Hetty muna. Okay, Hetty, ilan bang yung birthday wish?
Natakot siya.
Ayan, announcement po muna. Kung sino man po ang nagmamayari ng kotse, CRBY, plate number WPG748. Ayan. Okay, sa baba. Charot. Okay. Happy! Ilan daw yung birthday wish para kay Chloe? Ilan? Ay, afraid siya, umiiyak siya eh. Natatakot siya.